Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to install MySQL on Ubuntu. So let us check the version of Ubuntu. It is Ubuntu 22.04.1 LTS. So let us install MySQL. For MySQL installation, we need to check before whether if I have MySQL installed. Let me check the MySQL version. Let me check it. This is the command to check. I can see there is no any MySQL is installed. So let me do sudo update. So we need to update the package. Sudo apt update. So let me update all the packages, and then we need to run the command for MySQL installation. So this is the command sudo apt install MySQL -server. Okay, so this is the command you need to hit. You can see it will install MySQL client and MySQL core. Let me press 1 yes, and then it's installing. We have to wait for few minutes. Let us wait. Let us wait for a few minutes. It is 91% is completed, and it's going to be complete now. Okay, so let me check the service. Sudo service MySQL status. So you can see it's running. Okay, so with the root user it's running. So let me exit it, and let me log in once again. Okay, so we have to do sudo MySQL, and as you can see, so this is how you can install MySQL with a root.